Tolerance and religious harmony. Tolerance and religious harmony play a very important role in creating a peaceful and united society. Tolerance means respecting the views, beliefs, and traditions of others, even if they are different from our own. Religious harmony is about people of different religions living together with peace, respect, and mutual understanding. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the best example of tolerance, as he treated followers of other religions with kindness and justice. When we learn to accept others without hate, we remove misunderstandings and promote love. In schools, teachers should teach students the importance of respecting all religions. At home, parents must guide children to treat everyone with equality and care. If there is no tolerance, there will be hatred, violence, and division in the society. Therefore, it is our duty as good citizens to spread the message of peace and harmony. Only through tolerance we can build a better and stronger future for all. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for more educational videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.